Hey, Miata.
Turn it down.
Wait, now let's Miata. Dang. Wait, what? Hey.
How you doing?
Good. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Auto. Is it this?
Came that way.
Is this the stock auto?
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
460.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
I bought the motor and transmission as basically a package for $1,000.
Cool. Do you mind if I take a video of it? Or?
Yeah. Cool. And they're for people to enjoy.
Yeah. So, what year is it?
1991.
So it was a 1.6, and then now it's a 5.3.
Yeah, it was 1.653.
That's
So it's all stock. It's got headers, Terminator X,
yeah.
Max. So it controls the engine and the transmission.
Okay. For the oh wow, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so it does everything.
Even for just the this is so cool. You have the original Daisy wheels on there and everything.
Oh yeah,
that's awesome.
That's half the fun.
Yeah, this is cool.
I mean, you pull up next to someone you don't know, right? I got cutouts on it too.
Yeah, no, and especially like someone with a keen eye will look inside and see a automatic.
Yeah.
Or because most car people will notice like a really clean Miata.
Yeah, it's a 90.
You know?
I mean, so I bought this as a joke, right? I bought
Yeah.
this, so it has to make sense for me to own something.
Right.
And what I mean by that is, if I can make a profit on it and own it,
Yeah.
and then we're good, right?
Oh.
So I bought this for $2,500,
A couple years ago,
like a year and a half ago.
they have.
They went through the rough.
Oh my gosh.
So this, I bought it from Internet
This
Car Line.
stock, this is like at least like a $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 car because of how clean it is.
Yeah.
And then now
Yeah.
with all of that in there.
So I bought it from a 91-year-old school teacher.
Oh,
This
okay.
car only has 65,000 miles on the chassis.
Oh wow. You can. I mean,
It's nice.
I'm gonna do a walk then around. This is so clean. No rust. Wow. So it had 60 or it has 60 something thousand miles on it.
65,000 miles on the chassis. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So I bought the V8 Roadsters K member. It's like $1,500-$1,600.
Yeah.
The computer was $1,500-$1,600. I got the engine and transmission for about $1,000.
Was it just do you get a donor car or just the engine and trans?
Engine transmission.
Okay.
I bought it from a different guy, like a mechanic.
Yeah.
And it was a shady deal, right? The two-door truck,
Yeah.
like it was brushed.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
No title, no nothing like that. I didn't care. It just,
I mean, if you're taking the parts.
so I don't know how
Yeah.
the miles are on it. It's got some bug guide stuff. It's got some issues with it.
Okay.
So,
But it's unopened, stock head gaskets, stock
Unopened,
cam.
oh, yeah.
Well, you can't let the magic out, is what they say.
I'm beating on it
Yeah.
because it eats Mustangs, right? It's fun to
Yeah.
beat on Mustangs.
I mean, 2000.
Stock me out of rear end right now.
Stock axles. Wow.
Yeah, I have been wailing on this thing for about 3 months, and it's gonna blow up soon because it's making some funny noises.
Yeah. How's the diff doing?
It's not happy.
Well.
I don't care because I'm gonna throw an 8.8 in it. You know,
Yeah.
there it
Oh,
is.
okay. Wow.
But so I bought an all-aluminum LS 5.3 for it.
Okay.
So this is truck block, so it's a
So that's cast or
yeah. So when
Cast
I buy
iron block.
aluminum, I think they're about 80 pounds difference.
Yeah.
Which is a lot.
Yeah. I mean, especially.
Yeah. So I'm gonna throw a big cam in it, make hopefully 400 horse,
Yeah.
and pick on people.
The best part for me is that you have, or what you have into it right now, is probably around the same amount that you could buy just a stock clean one today for.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
And I love how old it looks with the lines. And
This must have been just a grocery getter. Like pinstripe.
yeah.
Was it this nice? Did you have to polish it up when you bought it?
I polished it after
A little
2 years
bit?
of owning it.
This, wow. Look at this interior. Auto. That's that's my favorite part.
I just left it in.
The stock shifter. There's
Stock too. I had to
yeah.
weld some stuff into it.
Yeah, you had to make it. It looks totally stock. That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's really fun. I got cutouts on it too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
You just hit a button and.
Yeah.
So is it pretty quiet when it's not cut out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what this.
Stock, pretty much a little bit of a tip.
Oh yeah, no one would suspect
A
anything.
little bit of a tip, you know. inspect nothing.
Oh, wow.
But there has some drain on the battery on it, so I hit my booster pack.
Oh, well, you know. You got a lot more
And it does, so
cranky
the valve guides in this engine are toast.
Yeah.
So it smokes when you start up.
Okay.
But it's historical now too.
Really? Oh, yeah, it's a 91? Yeah, it's...
I don't make the rules.
Is it 30 years?
30.
Okay, 30
I never
years.
played it again, right?
Yeah. You don't even need... Yeah, no tags, no inspection, no anything?
It's a fun little car to drive.
Yeah, this is... I was really surprised when I looking around, like, you know, a lot of old muscle, and then, wow, this is... Okay.
Yeah, you never...
This got me really excited.
You never see... You know, I went to West Point, right?
Yeah.
No Miatas. Only Miata with a V8, right? I have blown big blocks sitting next door to me, and people are walking past the blown big block to look at this.
Oh, no, yeah, this is awesome.
It's 2350.
You weighed it?
2350.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right,
Well,
thank-
I'm Zach.
How you doing, Bob?
Bob, nice to meet you. Great car. Thank you for showing me.
No problem.
Are you heading out?
Yeah.
All right, let me get an exhaust clip.
Well, the cutouts are...
They're open. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Woo! Everyone's looking at it. It's because it's coming from this little Miata. That's awesome. All right, it looks like everyone's leaving. I'll do a quick walk around and try to get as many cars as I can. Oh, this is cool. I think that's a 928. Is it a 928? It looks like it. Oh, that's sweet too. I love it. That's awesome. Is it a 928? 928? Oh, no badges. I'm pretty sure it's a 928. That's cool. Oh, wow, look at this. Good old 350. Oh, look at this thing. That's pretty cool. Ooh, this one's awesome. This is low. Is this yours? I guess not. Is this yours? No. Oh, I was gonna say, this is awesome. This is so cool. Tucking wheel. Look at that. That's awesome.
I'll be there in an hour and a half.
Roly poly. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Fox body, vert, good old 5.0, C4. That's cool. That's sweet. And a Jeep. this old guy. That's awesome. Hey, look at that thing. Look at a video of that.
I had told you my uncle, and that was like at noon. And then he was like, this, that, blah, 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 whatever. And I was like, yeah.
This thing is sweet. It's low. That's sweet. Oh, there we go. Rev it up. Let's hear it. Hey. Oh, nice. Oh shit. Hydraulics. Hey, good car, man. That's so clean.
There we go.
That's cool.
I will say this, so I've been to Arizona. I've been to
Zinc. Everyone's got that same MSD.
Yeah, it's when the TV camera.
Woo! Clean. Oh, there we go. This is cool. This is cool. This is sick.